How can I install an RPM without being root? How can I install an RPM on a machine where I don't have root permissions? I want to install a package for my use only in a personal work directory. I'm running SUSE 10. Please don't flame me with this idea is so dumb. You shouldn't do it because all requests must go through the corporate root god. May he live forever. I know I can request this of the root god, but I'll be shot down for immaculate, impeccable reasons, I'm sure. Besides, he'll never get around to installing it even if he does say he'll do it.
See how to extract an RPM package without installing it. RPM extract command.
How to extract RPM packages contents. How to extract tar.gs archive. How to extract tar.gs packages to the current directory. How to build binaries as a non-root.
I think the real answer to installing an RPM without root privilege is, you can't. But assuming you could actually start the install process. RPMs install using a list of instructions provided in a specification file, .spec, that usually follow the file system hierarchy. Most paths on that hierarchy are almost always operating system paths and not user paths. So unless your username has access to all of the paths an RPM installs to, then it would certainly fail. If you create an RPM that prefixes all of its paths with /home/me, or some other path you own, then it would work. This would require acquiring a src.rpm and extracting it as explained in other answers, then rebuilding it. By the time you do that, you might just consider getting root access or building the software from scratch, usually what you do if you do not plan on distributing the software across many machines. There are clever tricks to help you in the manual build process. For example, you can utilize the dependencies already listed in an RPM to get all of your dependencies, this URL.
Another option is to install from source, where you can usually change the install directory using the prefix switch.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.